In the concentration cell corrosion or differential erosion corrosion, when a metal is exposed to an electrolyte of varying concentration, different concentrations, or to varying aeration, it undergoes an electrochemical attack due to formation of miniature concentration cells on its surface, and it gets corroded. Differential erosion corrosion is the most common type of concentration cell corrosion. This type of cell is formed when the metal is kept in different air concentration. That is, two ends of metal surface are at different concentration of air. Hence, it is known as differential aeration corrosion. Differential aeration corrosion. The part of metal which is poorly oxygenated act as anode, and the part of the metal which is highly oxygenated act as cathode. So here the part of metal which is poorly oxygenated act as anode. So which part is poorly oxygenated? Which side is oxygen is very less, that part act as anode. And the other part of the metal which is highly oxygenated act as cathode. So which is less oxygenated, which is poorly oxygenated, that is act as anode. Which is rich in oxygen, which end is rich in oxygen, that act as cathode. This develops electrode potential and hence the metal gets corroded. So only simply oxygen differentiation in two sides of the metal, in various part of the metal. Let us consider the case of zinc rod, which is immersed in the sodium chloride solution, basic solution, neutral solution. A potential difference is developed between differentially aerated areas. The part of the rod which is at greater depth act as anode. So, greater depth act as anode. So zinc rod, this is zinc rod dipped in sodium chloride solution. Here a potential difference is there. Here electrolyte solution, sodium chloride solution is there. So the part of the rod which is at greater depth, which is immersed, this act as anode because here oxygen is less, and that it is which is above the surface, above the electrolyte, act as cathode, this part. Here oxygen is more, oxygen concentration is more, and zinc corrodes due to electrode potential difference. Electrode potential difference. So this process, so here there is a difference. There is a difference is there. So which part is in greater depth in the electrolyte, it acts as anode. Which part is above the surface of the electrolyte, it acts as cathode. Same at anode, electrons are released, oxidation takes place, zinc converted into Zn2 plus and releases electrons. Then whenever zinc is formed, so in the solution chloride ions are there, it converted into zinc chloride. Zinc chloride. Here corroding anode. Flow of electrons, these are going to here, this act as cathode. This act as cathode. So at anode, zinc releases electrons. At cathode, whatever electrons are released. So here water, oxygen and water, same reaction like absorption of oxygen type of corrosion. Oxygen, water, electrons, hydroxide ion is formed, that is reduction. Total zinc plus OH minus zinc hydroxide is formed. In a similar way, iron metal corrodes under drop of water. Same, this one also in previously we explained in the wet corrosion. Or salt solution, which are areas covered by droplets having no access of oxygen. Air bubble is there. Here there is no access of oxygen. So it acts as anode. Remaining thing act as cathode. It becomes anodic with respect to other areas which are freely exposed to air. This is freely exposed to air. This act as cathode. Same reaction. Anodic area poor access of oxygen attack. And then that's why here electrons are released. In the cathodic area oxygen is there. Excess plenty amount of oxygen is there. Oxygen and water react with electrons and then hydroxide ions are formed at cathode. At anode, iron releases electrons by oxidation. So overall reaction is formation of ferrous hydroxide. So what are the characteristics of differential aeration corrosion? So the metal having low oxygen concentration part act as anode and metal having high oxygen concentration act as cathode. This is the basic thing for differential aeration corrosion. Corrosion may be accelerated in apparently inaccessible places because of deficiency of oxygen at some part. So it may be accelerated in apparently accessible places. This type of corrosion also accelerated under accumulation of dirt, sand, scale or other contamination because such covered part act as anodes due to difference in the air concentration. So such covered part act as anode due to different air concentration. So it's a localized attack and some oxygen deficient areas such as metal exposed to aqueous media corrode under blocks of wood or pieces of glass which screen that portion of metal from the oxygen access, resulting into localized pitting. This is differential aeration corrosion. So differential aeration corrosion mainly occurs variation in the aeration. Aeration in the self mean in the air, in the atmospheric air also oxygen is there. So differentiation in aeration, differentiation in oxygen. So automatically corroded due to absorption of oxygen. This is one type of corrosion, one type of electrochemical corrosion due to absorption of oxygen.